Hello, community. I'm so excited to be here with you once again. And today I have something that will be of great interest to everyone that will be watching this video. A lot of people who currently are out of job, currently are out of income, um, currently are just not really earning any money during this period of the lockdown. Some may be retired. Some, I mean, just it's these are trying times for us globally as humanity. But you know what? It needn't be a bad time. Truth is, opportunities abound. Even while you're sitting at home, there are so many freelancing opportunities that are available that you can take advantage of using your skills. And I mean your skills. You don't have to learn anything new. What you already know how to do, there are people who are willing to pay for them. And so what I've decided to do today, if you were patient with me, we'll go through. I mean, it doesn't matter your current status. There's something for everyone, whether you're a teacher, you're a writer, you're a singer, you're a retiree, whatever it is, a consultant. I'm going to take you through 10 websites, freelancing websites, where you can register and showcase what you can do there, and there's someone out there who needs your services who will pay you top dollars for it. So just hang in there with me, and before this is all over, you will certainly find a site that will suit your need. And so the first site that we're going to be looking at today is called Upwork. This is the overall best, if you like, freelance site that there is. You have lots and lots of freelancers there who are showcasing their work. But in addition to that, there's so many people who are also looking to hire freelancers on this particular site. So all you need to do for this first one is go to upwork.com, register, and there's got to be something there that you can offer, and there's somebody somewhere out there who is able to give you an opportunity to earn some money. The next site is Design Hill. Now, Design Hill, as the name implies, is for designers, web designers, graphic designers, logo designers, package designers. If you're a designer, just go to designhill.com and register on that site, and there are lots of projects for you to be able to handle there and start earning money even while you're sitting at home. The next one is Skyward. This is another very, very good site, and I recommend that you go there as well and register. And the interesting thing is, even if you don't think that you want to earn any money from these sites, you can go there and hire some of the best talents globally, and they can do your work for you even while you're sitting at home. Okay? Now, skyward.com. And the next one to it is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit.com opens lots of possibilities outside, digital professions. There's so many things you can do as well. If you go there, you will see what kind of jobs people are offering, what kind of talents they are offering, and then see how yours fits into it. Put in your profile there, and then showcase what you can do. And if jobs are offered, take advantage of them, make your bid, and the rest. Well, how do I put it? It's just for you to earn money. And then the next one is one that I particularly like, Writer Access. The one before this was TaskRabbit.com. This next one is WriterAccess.com. And so you can write whatever it is you write. You can write articles, blogs, you're a copywriter, you can write grant proposals, you can any form of writing. Okay? Just go to Writer Access, and there are lots of people there who would need your services. And as you go there, and offer your services or pick on any of the gigs there, you just find that you start earning money and in dollars as well. The next one to it is perhaps the largest network of remote jobs you can find anywhere globally, and that is Freelancer.com. As the name implies, for freelancers. I mean, even when this is all over and you go back to work, you can make a lot of money on the side with this. In your downtime, at weekends, in the evenings, you can earn a lot of money from this site. So freelancer.com is a very, very popular site, and I recommend that you go there and register as well. Now, there are those who may say their experience, this is not for them, maybe it's just for upstarts and all that. No, I tell you what, no matter what you do, there's always a freelance site that can meet, that can help, provide extra money for you and good money too at whatever level you are. Acquaint.com is one of such websites. If you are already an experienced worker, a professional, that's a platform to go and register. There are people who are looking for your services there. Okay? And then the next one to it, I like the word next. It's like a play on words there. Is Next, actually. Nexxt. Go to next.com, and here is a very diverse and inclusive platform for everyone, who has any form of talent and gift and skill. Register there and see what people are offering and see how what you can do can make it, can fit into what people require as well. And then the next one is my favorite, both for freelancing opportunities and for, people want to get people to do work for them as well. And so whatever you can do, whether if you go to that site, you see if you're a voiceover artist, you're a musician, you make jingles, or you want jingles, depending on what the case. You want a new logo design, you want counseling, no, whatever it is. You want someone to optimize your website, your Instagram page, and all of that, just go to fiverr.com. And if you can offer any of these services plus more, just go there. There's an opportunity for you. And if you want these services as well, if you go to that site, you'll get them. There are freelancers there ready to offer them to you. And then, yes, okay. So you say you're an investment banker, you're a management consultant, you're top accountant, whatever, so everything we've been talking about does not interest you. Well, there is a site that takes care of that. It's called TopTal. It's for those who are in the top 3% of their profession. The top, if you have reached the pinnacle of your profession, you can call that the exclusive club. You register there, there are people who are looking for your services. You may have retired at the very top, and right now you're not doing anything. There are people who need your services. There are people who need your talents, your gifts, and what you have on offer. And so if you go to toptal.com, there are people who want top talents there. And so just register there and then see what's on offer and start making dollar for yourself while you're sitting at home during this lockdown period and even afterwards. Okay, so if you have found this useful or you have any comments that you want to make, please leave your comments. Just scroll down, you will see the comment section. I want to engage with you. I promise I'll reply every comment. Just leave your comments there. If there are sites you think I have not mentioned that you think people need to know about, mention it. This is not exhaustive. Maybe I might do another part where I might give you another top 10 freelancer sites as well. But leave your comments. Let's engage. Let's talk. I like to hear from you. I need to have feedback from you to know whether this is useful to you and whether we should continue with this series or whether or not we should just pack it up and forget it. I hope not, though. And if you're new to this channel or if you've been watching this YouTube channel, but you have not yet subscribed, here's the opportunity. Just go down, you see red subscribe button down below, hit on that button, click it. And then you see right next to it will come up a bell, the notification bell. Click that as well. Now, the reason for the notification bell is so that every time I release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And not just that, sometimes I do premieres, sometimes I might do lives. It could just be me, it could be an interview, and you'll be alerted immediately. And then you can join us and then, benefit from, and probably go into live chats also while that is on. So I'll leave it at this point, and then the next time around, I'll be bringing you more productivity tips, because that's basically what this channel is about: productivity tips, personal development tips, and those things that will help enhance your productivity.